Hello, future entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. If you want to stay ahead of the game in 2024 and beyond, you need to master the art of market research. Welcome to this video where we will reveal 5 fast and easy strategies for effective market research. Get ready to supercharge your business decisions and outshine the competition. In the ever-evolving world of business, understanding your market is the key to success. Market research is not just a nice to have, it's a must have. Before we dive into the tactics, let's understand the importance of market research. Recent statistics show that companies that use market research are 26% more profitable than those who don't. So, how do you perform efficient market research? Online surveys. It's a quick and direct way to gather valuable insights from your target audience. SurveyMonkey is a prime example. They've made online surveys incredibly user-friendly, allowing businesses to collect data and make informed decisions. Social media listening is about tapping into conversations happening online to gauge market sentiment. Hootsuite's powerful dashboard enables businesses to monitor social media conversations and track relevant keywords and hashtags. Now that we've covered online surveys and social media listening, let's explore real-world examples of companies using these techniques effectively. Starbucks is a coffee giant. They use social media listening to stay in touch with customer feedback. They've fine-tuned their menu and created new products based on the insights they've gathered. Airbnb, the global lodging service, uses online surveys to understand traveler preferences. This data helps them improve their offerings and provide a tailored experience. These success stories of Starbucks and Airbnb emphasize the impact of market research, but we've got more strategies to explore. Competitor analysis is all about keeping an eye on your competition. Understanding what they are doing can give you a competitive edge. SEMrush is a tool that helps you analyze your competitors' online presence, from their website traffic to their keywords, and add strategies. Customer feedback platforms like Trustpilot or FIFO allow customers to share their experiences and provide valuable insights for businesses. The Yelp example. Yelp has been a game changer for the restaurant industry. Customer reviews and ratings on the platform can make or break a business. With competitor analysis and customer feedback platforms in your toolkit, you are well on your way to mastering market research. But there's one more strategy we need to cover. Google Trends is a treasure trove of data. It reveals what people are searching for and when, providing valuable market insights. Remember the Pokemon Go craze? It exploded because of real-time data from Google Trends, guiding the game's launch strategy. And there you have it, 5 fast and easy strategies for market research in 2024. Transform your outreach strategy with Success.ai's cutting-edge features. Unlimited warm-up, 700 million plus verified leads, and an AI-powered writer awaits you. Scale up your campaigns with powerful analytics and inbox rotation. Start for free, then upgrade for the cost of a daily coffee over a month. Don't miss out. Supercharge your growth with Success.ai now.